ready, go! Tara! Hi guys! So for today's video ay mag-unboxing po kami ng TV ni Miss Ellie. So ayan, sponsored by...
A few moments later.
So yun guys, mag-unboxing na tayo. So let's open na! Alright guys, so first we need to remove the plastic cover. So ayan, unboxing na natin. And by the way mga guys, sale to sa Shopee and now only 6,000 na lang. Kaya napa-check out naman ang friend kong si Miss Ellie. So ayan. Taran! Mag-hi ka muna. Hi! Wow! Xiaomi! Open na! And now, let's see the inside of the box. Meron siyang TV guide.
Ito po yung stand. Dalawa.
Naka-styro. Para sulit at safety. Anong meron?
Meron siyang remote. Then manual. Tapos yung cord niya.
Tapos, ilabas na ang mahiwagang TV! Tara! Wow! Nanalo po siya. Yan, ang kanyang jackpot prize.
Ating jackpot prize.
Much later.
Alright guys, this is it. The brand new TV from Xiaomi. At yun na nga mga guys, functional siya, complete at madami ding features, and it is all good. Ayan na po ang TV ni Miss Ellie. And that's the end of my vlog. Thanks for watching.